This is a tutorial on how to register and view our drop-in group fitness classes. We are currently transitioning from using Amelia and the schedule that you see here to register for our classes to GroupEx Pro, which is a third-party scheduling software. To view our group fitness classes on GroupEx Pro, you'll need to go to our website, which is erieco.gov/fitness, which will bring you to this homepage here. Click on our drop-in group fitness class circle, which will bring you to our group fitness page. Scroll down until you see the schedule here. This schedule is powered by GroupEx Pro. You'll click on My Reservations. In order to register for a class, you will need to create an account within GroupEx Pro. To do that, you click Register Now. You'll need your first name, last name, email, and a password. Once you've created your account, you'll go back to log in, sign in with your credentials. If you did have classes that you were registered for, they would be listed here. To register for a new class, you'll click View Full Schedule. And here is our full schedule of classes. Here's a test class that I created. In the future, all classes will require a reservation and they will all have this sign up button on the side here. So you'll click sign up. You'll be able to see how many spots are available. You'll click reserve a spot. And it says that you have now reserved a spot in the class. If this is a mistake and you want to cancel your reservation, you can do that here. You will also get a confirmation email right here. It's going to be coming from the town of Erie. It says class reservation for tester test. Click on that. Has all the information of the class, the name, the location, the date, the time, the location in what studio you're in. To cancel your reservation, you'll just come back into this email and click here to cancel. It'll ask you again, are you sure you want to cancel? You click yes, cancel my reservation. And you have officially been removed from the class. And you should get a confirmation email saying that you have canceled for the class. And that is how we now register and you view our group fitness class schedule.